Here's where you can go to choose app-specific refresh rate. So if you don't want all your apps running on 120 and you want certain apps to run in 60 or automatic, here's where you can go to do this on your OnePlus 12 or OnePlus 13 phone. Whether you want to do this today or tomorrow, use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here. And once in this section here, go down to where it says display. As you enter into display, you're going to look for the screen refresh rate feature right here, this one right there. So tap on it one time, you'll see these options here. You'll see auto, you'll see standard, which is 60. So you'll have to select 120. Go ahead and select the 120 option. When you do this, this option becomes available. And you want this option here to get access to this set of options, which is the app-specific refresh rate. So what's good about this is at first, all the apps will be set to 120, but you can now choose for every app on your phone which apps will actually run on 120 and which ones won't or stay on 60. So some of these you will most likely don't need them to be in 120, like the files here, you can leave it to 90 or 60. Games, maybe yes, you want it on 120. Gboard, maybe you want it on 90, and it's up to you. Like your email, if you're just previewing or watching your emails that come in, maybe you just need it to be on 90 or maybe 60, and you can do this for every app here as long as it's compatible. So if this guide helped you, like and sub.